This will be our warm start and mixed drive video of our 1991 Alfa Romeo Spider Veloce, black with tan, with our owner since 1999. We'll fire her up. We will take her for an around town, high speed, mixed drive, everything we can get our hands on. All lights come off. Our airbag light will flash for a little bit, and then it will go solid. Something that is relatively common to these Spiders. So, hopefully traffic will be cooperative, and we will get her done. Weather has been touch and go today. We started out with some clouds and overcast, and the sun tried to break through a little bit. We actually got a few raindrops. Now it's just sort of a mixed bag. So, as you can see, holding the camera with one hand, driving and shifting with the other. So that will show you how well sorted this beauty is. She loves to rev. She has got plenty of go on tap. Folks who have driven these late series Spiders, they have a lot of creature comforts, the air conditioning, the power windows, obviously the airbags, the ABS. There's all kinds of equipment on these things, and that really has made them very comfortable. It's also added some weight. This one is remarkably peppy and raring to go. So we'll go ahead and watch a few of the shifts so you can see how effortless that is. Basically just having to guide it into place. Clutch uptake is fantastic. That was adjusted at our basic PPI. We'll even go ahead and put her into second and almost start from a dead stop, just to show you the torque is there, and it doesn't mind. So, if you're not familiar with Chicagoland area roads, they are crack-filled, lots of potholes. The running joke is we have two seasons here in Chicago, winter and construction. My point being that you won't hear a peep out of this suspension. It is quiet, it's solid. So you'll hear a very, very willing, tons of life left in it, 2 liter, but you will not hear a peep out of that suspension. Get into fourth. Couple manhole covers, third manhole cover. Get your usual cowl shake. get to our next light here, I'll go ahead and demonstrate some of our power features, like our power window. Smooth as silk, noise free, down or up. Go ahead, go from 4 to 2. Happy as a clam. You'll notice no judder, no sound from the brakes, no shaking of the wheel. Some real nasty road. She doesn't miss a beat. Got some pretty aggressive tracks coming up. I'm gonna get over so that I don't have to slow down. You see we're hitting every crack and pothole. Crest these tracks. No issues. On the brake, again, no judder, no shake, no shimmy. So we will hopefully get this light. We'll be able to take her up to some notable highway speeds. Starting to get a little bit of wind noise. Let's see, we are well over 60. Hard on the brakes again for this light. Happy, composed, good to go. Hope you've enjoyed the video.